X-Jimmy CC Aurora, the most powerful and portable screenless projector. Take it with you anywhere you go. The CC Aurora is an audio and video entertainment center, all in the palm of your hand. Simply move the slider to start. It will autofocus in less than 3 seconds. Projecting at 720p HD resolution and powered by a built-in high-performing CPU that supports 4K videos. CC Aurora gives you the best cinematic experience both indoors and out. The 20,000 milliamp battery brings plenty of play or standby time. With a 180-inch large HD projection area, you can project beyond traditional screen limits. Built with Keystone Correction System, the X-Jimmy CC Aurora can project a total square screen at any angle, perfect for small spaces. The JBL Stereo 40mm dual speaker with passive bass diaphragm pumps out rich, acoustically amazing sound that will complete the cinematic experience. Wi-Fi capability means it's easy to play videos right off your phone, iPad, or laptop. Free yourself from wires and cables with Strat sharing videos anytime and anywhere. This is the ultimate combination of utility and minimalism. Bring X-Jimmy CC Aurora on the road and enjoy cinema-quality entertainment whenever you want. X-Jimmy CC Aurora, born to be simple.
Remember the last time you needed to send a message or tell someone where you were, but for some reason you couldn't? That's because there were probably too many people around you. Or you were too far from a tower. Or maybe the network was down. And you probably saw this, or one of these. That's all about to change with Gotenna. Gotenna pairs wirelessly with your smartphone, making it possible to text and share your location with anyone else who also has one, even when you don't have service. No need for cell towers, Wi-Fi, or satellites. With Gotenna, you can communicate no matter what. Find friends even when the rest of the crowd is struggling to get their message through. Gotenna's great for travel because it works anywhere in the world. Explore and roam for free. And if there's an emergency, you can send a message to all Gotennas within range. Because here's the thing, cell phones are great, but there's a lot of situations when they're just not that reliable. It's time to start your own network and make no service, no problem.
What if real life was like bad Wi-Fi?
So with the changes to slides 3 and 4, we'll have a really compelling
Mom, your boss is here!
Well, this is a surprise.
Leanne? Well, see,
come on.
Bad Wi-Fi interrupts life itself. Thankfully, there's Lyra, the whole home Wi-Fi system. Lyra uses 3 wirelessly connected hubs to deliver a super fast, reliable, and secure Wi-Fi signal to every corner of your home. Finish setup with a few quick taps using Lyra's mobile app. Thanks to Lyra's tri-band design, one of the bands is dedicated to connections between Lyra hubs. The dedicated band and smart antenna design of each Lyra allows you to enjoy full coverage on all your Wi-Fi devices, from the living room to the backyard. Your Wi-Fi device automatically connects to the strongest Lyra hub, so it works smoothly and seamlessly when moving from room to room. Asus Lyra, corner-to-corner Wi-Fi.
Do you ever wonder if you're overfeeding your pet? Studies show feeding your pet the right amount every day will help them live longer. But how do you know you're feeding your pet the right amount of food each day? Introducing the PetNet Smart Feeder, a new smartphone-controlled, automatic pet feeder. We personalize your pet's daily calorie intake using their age, weight, activity level, and food type. With the PetNet app, you can schedule and monitor your pet's meals all from your smartphone, meaning your pet is always fed, even when you're running late. The PetNet Smart Feeder will feed the healthiest portions at the right time, every time, automatically. So let's make sure we're feeding them the right amount every day. Personalize the way you feed your pets with PetNet. The PetNet Smart Feeder is produced in limited quantity each month. Get yours before they sell out.
This is not the future I was promised. Wi-Fi routers are dumb machines, and they make us act like dumb people.
Have you tried unplugging it for 30 seconds?
Yes, we unplugged it. These machines worked just fine a decade ago when I only had one computer. But now my house has more connected devices than I can even count. I want a modern Wi-Fi network that's reliable and consistent wherever I am in the house. A network that's fast and secure. A network that keeps kids like my nephew out of harm's way. Enter Luma, an intelligent Wi-Fi system that actually delivers on the promise of fast, reliable internet. It surrounds you with Wi-Fi using technology that was previously only available to large companies. You put one here, another one there. Immediately you're up and running. We call it Surround Wi-Fi. Luma's smart enough to know things like what devices you're using, what networks are interfering, and where potential problem spots are. So it can make smart decisions to get you the fastest data everywhere. And of course, no network should be without a good security system. I can easily grant people access to my network and just as easily revoke it. And speaking of that, I can rest easy knowing that Luma has modern parental controls, so I can limit the kid to G-level websites and monitor to make sure he's not up to any shenanigans. I can even set time limits or pause the internet, like during dinner time.
Yay, awesome.
Here, go plug this in. I love you. Speed, safety, security. This is the future I was promised.
Hi, I'm Heather, and this is the Go Comb. Let's back up a second. One night, my uncle pulled out his wallet and there was a comb awkwardly hanging out the side. That's where the Go Comb journey began. I set out to make a modern comb that was durable, compact, and easily accessible for all. I soon learned how to prototype at a local hackerspace. I've worked through many iterations, honing in on the right shape and feel. The final design fits in any wallet and is a durable, waterproof, and lightweight piece. Once the core shape was set, I began experimenting with more features and materials. Now in durable plastic, stainless steel, and brass, some combs even double as a mirror for the ultimate grooming accessory. The stylistic options are endless, and there's something to please every aesthetic. I designed Go combs for everyone. Men or women, kids, and even pets, they work great in all hair types. Fine tooth is popular for short hair, and even tames the wildest beards and mustaches. Your Go comb will keep you ship-shape throughout the day, and polished on a night out. You can take it traveling, whether you're hitting the beach or exploring the backcountry. Who knows, it might even save your life. Luckily, I've been able to prove the concept on a limited budget by keeping expenses down and producing through laser cutting. But this small batch manufacturing method won't scale. In order to bring Go combs to everyone, I need to raise funds to invest in tooling, allowing us to produce in higher volumes. I'd also build a scalable system for personalization, so that a Go comb can be made just for you, or be given as a unique gift. I'm really excited to be able to offer the Go comb to everyone.